Hello, in this video I would like to show you the differences between connecting the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 to an Android phone and an iPhone. So if you use an iPhone and you want to buy this watch, be sure that you watch this video to the end because some functions are actually not available for iPhone. So let's start, and first of all, when we scroll down, we can find on the Android smartphone music. But this function is actually not available on the iPhone. So you cannot transfer music from your iPhone to the watch. So there's the first function that we are actually missing. The another option is actually the app gallery. So on the Android we can download apps, but on iPhone we cannot do this. The next function is about the notifications. On the Android, when you open the notifications, you will get a list of all apps that you have on your phone. So you can decide if you want to receive or don't receive notifications from specific apps. On the iPhone, you can only get it. You can only adjust this for messages, HUAWEI Health, and the calendar. And the rest apps are on the order. So there's actually not good for the iPhone users. The another option that we are missing is definitely the quick replies. So on the Android, we can create our custom replies, but on the iPhone, we actually cannot do this. And that's basically it. So there's actually this few differences that you can find. In my opinion, the key functions that we are missing is definitely the music and the app gallery. But I just find the one way how we can still get these apps or music on your device. So you will have to actually connect this watch to the Android smartphone. So you have to actually ask someone of your friend, family to share the device. Then when you connect this into the Android, you will be able to transfer music and apps. And after this, I will recommend you to don't reset your watch, just simply disconnect. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. We have to go to the settings, go to the system and the updates, and select disconnect. After you disconnect and then pair it with the iPhone, you will still have these apps. Like for example, in my case, here I have this game, Surfing Joe. Let's just catch focus. There we go. And now I can just open it and play this game on this watch. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.